Good day, Kapiter guys. My name is Sam Lagura and I'm here to report about watertight integrity and the importance of keeping within the ship. Watertight integrity refers to a ship's ability to prevent water from entering space that are supposed to remain dry. This involves the use of watertight bulkhead doors, hatch, valves, and hole-in structures designed to resist water ingress under various conditions such as rough sea damage or flooding. Importance of maintaining water integrity. Safe of the ship and crew. Maintaining watertight integrity helps it prevent flooding, which could lead the zinc or capsizing. It's crucial during combat, conclusion, or grounding. Buoyancy and stability. A ship must remain buoyant and stable to operating safely. Water ingress affect the vessel's center of gravity and surface effect, potentially making it unstable. Number 3. Damage control. In the event of hull damage, intact watertight compartments can localize flooding, allowing time for repair and evacuation. Number 4. Mission readiness. For naval vessels, warship depends heavily on their watertight condition to remain operational during house engagement. Number 5. Compliance and certification. Maritime regulations such as SOLAS require ships to maintain specific watertight standards on ensure seaworthiness. Key practice to ensure watertight integrity. Regular inspection and maintenance of watertight doors, sails, and valves. Proper closure of all watertight fitting during operation. Crew training in damage control and emergency sailing. Avoid unauthorized modification that may compromise watertight boundaries. And that's all. Thank you.